Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs Department Government of Meghalaya, Banteidor Lyngdoh, had recently inaugurated the 3rd Mawkynrew Cup 2022-23 at Madan Mawlein under Mawkynrew Constituency. Altogether, 64 teams had participated in the tournament. Also present was the President of the Mawkynrew Cup Committee, Pakyntein, members of the dorbar shnong, residents of the area and others. During the same day, the football field that was constructed at a total cost of Rs 48 lakhs was also inaugurated. A march past and performances by young people also formed part of the event. The teams have been divided into 4 zones, namely Thnangsning, Jongksha, Mawlein and Jatah. Speaking during the event, the MLA of Mawkynrew Constituency, Banteidor Lyngdoh, said that the Mawkynrew Cup is a platform for young people to showcase their talent to enable them to be self-dependent and self-sufficient as far as earning their livelihood is concerned. At the same time, Lyngdoh added that such a tournament would discourage the youth from falling trap to social evils that may ruin their future and their life in particular.
Lingba ka jing sedang biang ia kan that Mawkynrew Cup. Basibon ki player ki ban mi nang ne. Ki ban yele kai ne ki club be. Umdai tang kataru ki ban yele kai na ka state ka jongi. Katangan ne tu ipi umdai bang syukran nang ne labon ki ban yele kai Mawkynrew Cup menta kila ban yele kai na ka state. Ban represent ya ka state. Ngan ne tu ipi dai lingba ka jing yele kai nang ne po Mawkynrew Cup. Bagata ngaso komen banong Uway na kipaliar, Jongksha ka shnong, ubang ikot magisayong ubro, mo, bilakay, nang ni na po, Mawkynrew, bilakay, kani kamadan na skipor, but nickel, nang tay na po, Jatah nong leher, full moon nang tay na po, sangknay, kibaladay kiway kipaliar, kibilakay po, Mawkynrew Cup, henry kini menta kilailakay ka state level, namar, kadai ka jing play lat penalty jong kene ka Mawkynrew Cup namar ki samla jong ka thang ka jongi ki samla jong ka ri bat ka jaj ban reu ki dai ki lawai na ka banda ban ket ban ba ban wanra ya ka jilla ka ba shong sok ka ba shong san ban wanra ya ka jilla ka ba job gi don kam ya ki samla na ta ka daw kai ka ba ngi pelong ya ki ni jing la ka gi ba per dai na ka ta ka daw bangi kwa ban kenteu sisa ya ki samla ki jongi ka jing la kai umdai tang mangilai lekai kan mau ba menta kini kisngi ka jingi lekai sports kadai ka wei ka ba ailat halaga jong kichat ban yang ban trei kam trei jam dai na ta daw bangi pelong ini jingi lekai bagi khon samla jong iru kin laj na ka bam gadi kin laj na ki ai ki jing di ki basneu ki bakta ya ka long ren yang ya ki samla ha kini kisngi